Hello, hi, Lakir Dhaliwal. Hi, welcome, Ganesh. How's everyone today? Happy Independence Day to everybody. We are just going to wait for Shago to join in. Hetal, hi. Hi, Mom. How are you? Good to see you here on my page. Welcome to Decoding Life with Anchal. We are just gonna wait for Shagarika to join in. Hi, Hina. How is everyone doing this evening? Quickly, before Shagarika signs in, is everyone a singer on this chat so far? Are you guys singers, musicians, aspiring singers? Hi, Ajay. Shagarika is not here yet, Hina. You'll have to wait for her to log in. We do have a couple of minutes. Sahib Sarkar, hello. Nice to see so many lovely people. Natasha, hi. Welcome to another session of Decoding Life with Anchal. This one's going to be a nice and happy musical one. I'm really happy to be doing this one. Just going to see where Shago is. Hi Shivani. Hi Asha. Nice to see you guys online. So I was actually asking everyone if you're a musician, singers. Oh wow, pianist, singer, artist. That's amazing. And do you perform with Shagarika? Hi Prashant Rao. Hello. Nice to see you guys here. I don't know what's holding. Hi Chintan. I don't know what's holding. Okay. Her phone is off and we are waiting for her to sign in. Meenal, hi. Oh, you're an anchor. That's phenomenal. Hi Shraddha. How are you? There is a request. Nope. What's everyone up to on Independence Day? How's everyone been killing time during COVID? I'm a student of SMA. Nice. So am I, Hina. Actually, so is my mom, but I've also been a student intermittently every now and then. And it's nice to. There she is. Hi. Let's add you. Shagarika. And Shirobi, hi. Nice to see you guys here. We're just waiting for Shagarika to join. What's up, everyone? S. Kumar, welcome. Welcome to Decoding Life with Anshul. I hope you guys are all following my page. We do a lot of fun chats on this, everything from music to poker to astrology, numerology. Hi, how pretty are you looking? Hello, how are you? You're looking, have you lost? You're looking so different and lovely. This COVID has clearly done something so nice to you.
Yes, I have worked a little. I have worked a little with myself, and I thought it was very much necessary to, lose my weight. So yes.
Good. Lovely. I haven't seen you since this lockdown, actually. Yeah, she is looking beautiful. Hi, Harsha. So, to all our viewers, welcome to Decoding Life with Anshul. Welcome, Shagarika. It's been quite a task to get her to do this. Fix your sound a little. Yeah. And I know she's pretty nervous, so I'm going to just say it all out that what are you doing, Baba? You keep switching
Pardon me?
your.
No,
Your
that I actually cannot see myself, so I am just figuring it out. Can you just
okay.
send me a request again, or I'll just go back and come out again? Yeah.
Okay, do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Shagota ma'am is here. Hello. How are you? I am just going to add Falguni. Hi. Harsha. Hello. Welcome to the page. Hi. Now, can you see?
No, I cannot, but does not matter. It's good. I can't see myself. I can see you very clearly.
That's so strange. How can you not see yourself?
I don't know, must be some glitch. But anyways, let's carry on with what we are here to. But
I'm going
first,
to,
pardon me?
what were you going to say?
I said, firstly, thank you for getting me on this, because I don't think so this would have happened without you, number one. And I would like to thank Renu auntie also, because I'm sure, I know it, she's the one who's pinged you for it. And yeah, but thank you.
Welcome, welcome. I'm very happy to have you here. And I'm going to first do your introduction. Shagrika comes from a family of musical gurus, so to say. Anyone who knows them is not new to how proficient this family is in music. We are very blessed to have them as a part of our life. She's also the creative brain behind the Shagota Music Academy. She's a lovely person at heart. Very, very popular academy from the area where I grew up, all of Matunga, Sayan, Vadala area. Everyone loves them. Everyone loves their classes. My mom loves them. I love them. And it's always so nice to have, people we love as part of our fraternity. And so welcome to this page.
Thank you.
And we are going to dive right into this chat. So first things first, please tell us, how did you get into this journey of thank you, Shagota ma'am, thank you very much, love you. How did you get into this journey of music? Please share with us.
So, to be honest, I was born in the lap of music. Okay, so where I belong to, whether it's my, like, of course, heavily from my mom's side, like my nani, her mother, she was a sitar player. So it's been coming down. My nana was a tablist. He was a very royal singer. My nani, of course, she's worked a lot for music, and she is the inspiration behind the whole of SMA. So, with just one moment, I'm just going to put my phone on silent. So sorry. So basically, all these things, when it came to coming into music, of course, I was born in the lap of music, and I say so because my nani, my mom, my nana, my father, my two masis. So when I had this kind of an enclosure of music, so by default, it had to be there in me. So. Yes, so that's how I got into the world of music, and since then, I think it was right from from my mom's womb. I will say, from the time she conceived me, I was already into the ocean of music.
So for our viewers who don't know this family, they're three generations of absolutely stunning, powerful, incredibly strong-headed, gorgeous looking, wonderful, from Nani to Shagota ma'am, Shagrika, and I think even Masis, because I have met them once. So first things first, I want you to sing one song for us to just begin with. Just hum something for us so we get into the mood of it.
Okay, done. So I'm gonna hum something, okay, which I used to, which I have been, when I was a child, my whole family, especially my masis, would sing to me. So it's a lullaby, and I don't know the full song, but the two lines which I was addictive to, and I would just sing that.
Please.
चंदा ढले पंखा जले मैया तुम्हारी, फूलों पे सो जा मेरी राजकुमारी। चंदा ढले पंखा झले मैया तुम्हारी, फूलों पे सो जा मेरी राजकुमारी. So I just know I'm aware of these two lines.
All the time from me, because I know our viewers are clapping, but they can't really clap for you. Yes, Amita. Hi. Okay, so now tell me, Shagrika, because you run such a beautiful academy and you have such lovely people coming and learning. Tell me something, that is music really for people who are good singers, who have a good voice, or can who are the people who can really learn music?
Okay, so again, I'll just repeat myself. Being from a musical background, and especially from a background of teachers, my nani has been a teacher, my mom has been a teacher, and my father was also a teacher. So I have seen teaching around, and I have never seen rejection from them for anyone. Like,
Right.
whether it would be my father, he was a maths and science professor. Like, students used to come to him at the last moment, like literally who have flunked in math science, and in 3 months they would get like the toppers list marks in math science. So he never said no to them, no, you don't have the bheja to do it, and I won't teach.
Yeah.
The same with my mom and nani. I have never seen them saying no. I have seen them teaching to that extent that till the time you're not mute, you can sing. So for
Correct.
us, it's never been ki bhai, you have to be from a musical background, a gharana, or you have to be born with musical talent. It's that, we have understood in these many years that everyone's blessed with a vocal box.
Yes.
And, it's just like a rubber band. Now,
Yeah.
if you take your vocal box as saptaks, basically saptaks means your 3 octaves in which your range of singing goes into. All right.
Yeah.
Now, what we are talking in is our normal, one range wala
Yeah.
voice. Now
Yeah.
that is somewhere in our madhya saptak. So, the moment you skip on to, screaming, all right, you're screaming and shouting at someone, you go utilize your tar saptak, which is your higher octave, where you use your higher notes. And when you are sick or you wake up in the morning, you will mostly find yourself in a very what do you say, gum gum wala आवाज होता है ना, जहाँ पर you feel सुबह उठ के ही
Yeah.
मतलब your voice turns into a royal Kishore Kumar
Yeah.
voice type wala feeling. That is basically your lower octave. All right, so these 3 octaves come in everyone. It is just about exploring and stretching. Now some are blessed, some need to work little, some need to work a lot, but till the time you're not mute, you can sing. At least we can make you sing, that much we know.
Right, right. So I know and I fully understand, because mom, and I've also grown up in an atmosphere of music since I was a child. Mom's been such a fan of music. She's been learning, singing. Mamu used to play the tabla. And as a child, I always used to think that I wish I could sing. I wish I could sing. I don't think I ever gave myself the chance to explore. And one fine day I just did, as recent as a few years ago, and I said, who cares? Like, at the end of the day, if you can or cannot, if you're good or not good, because it's a very emotional, it's very spiritual, it's a very beautiful experience. And
Right.
and I know that you guys encourage students, so deeply for music. But do you have people who come and say, can I sing, can I not sing? What is your advice to people who feel that, oh, we are bathroom singers, we don't want to sing? What would you say to some?
Yeah. So, I will say 80 to 85% of the inquiries that we have belong to this, questionnaire where they say, I have never learned to sing, or I am a bathroom singer. Can I do it? So, this is the previous thing that I just said, that, till the time you're not mute, we can make you sing. That is for sure. Now
Yeah.
it depends on the person, how much is he or she willing to believe in the process of learning, and is ready to believe and is ready to dedicate their time and efforts into what we teach, so that we can get the progress out of them. So
Right.
for us, this is has been always has instilled affirmations and positiveness in me also, and it helps the other person also know that nothing is impossible, is what we work on, that way.
Lovely. Should we take a quick, short, intermittent, and ask you to sing another little song for us? Maybe something for independent.
Okay. Something for independent. I just sang in the morning. Now I'm just all of a sudden blank. Okay, I'll sing this. Can I have G sharp? Just 1 second. Huh?
Yeah, yeah. Please take your time.
Yes, happy. Okay, I'll sing the famous song of Razi, which is "Ae
Oh,
Watan Watan." All right.
lovely, lovely.
ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन.
Lovely, lovely. On that note, a very happy Independence Day from all of us to you guys
Right.
out there. And okay, so the next thing I want to know is that, a lot of people these days want to learn music. And I know that in earlier years, when you wanted to learn music, there was a lot of emphasis on rags, on classical music.
Right.
And people are a little resistant to putting in that kind of training and effort. And I see the same in dance. There are certain classical forms that require a lot of time, energy, dedication. But people don't really necessarily want to do that. They want to be able to learn, sing somewhere, sing in a gathering. So what do you feel about this as a teacher and as a musician, as someone who's learned music so deeply? Do you think that this is doing some kind of injustice to the music, or no?
So, as we all know, since like when we were born, we didn't
Yeah,
learn to stand directly, right? We
yeah,
went through the whole process of stumbling from left to right, then trying to crawl, then falling. I think 10,000 times before standing. It's the
yes,
same way we treat music in the academy, all right? And so we serve music. We what we teach is basically Hindustani music. It's a style of singing. It's a style of learning music. Okay. Now, people do come to us. They want to fast track into singing Bollywood, and maybe someone just want to sing bhajan. They don't want to do rags and maybe alankars and all. But we have never given a course in which we say कि अच्छा आप सिर्फ बॉलीवुड सीख लो या आप सिर्फ भजन सीख लो या whatever genre they want to learn. Because अगर आपने ABCD सीखा ही नहीं है तो आप उसको 100% implement नहीं कर सकते, right? So people do ask us for these options, but honestly we've kept it off for everyone. We make sure that they learn it right from the beginning, where even if it's an advanced level single, who's already been singing, if they come to us, we don't put them through directly ABCD because they already know it. So maybe
yeah,
from forming words like apple, how to form words and all these. So because they need to go through that process, and of course every place you learn there's a different way of teaching. So
correct.
you have to go through that process. So we have, and it's a very beautiful thing. At the beginning people will be are humko, and many are there like this, and I think a few of them might be present on the chat and they must be laughing at themselves right now, because they come and say humko to sirf gana seekhna hai, and we take them through the whole process of sare gama and alap and
Yeah,
alankar and what is rag. And then suddenly they will see a change in themselves. They don't want to do songs, they want to do more of riyas,
right.
so
That's a
so basically it's the essence that we deliver, and when they have that essence, when the foundation is so strong, they can render very beautifully. That's how
very
it is.
nice. Because see, without your base, you can't really learn anything in life. No, it's also you keep struggling. You learn 10 songs, and then you'll struggle on the 11th song because then
Exactly.
suddenly. And
True.
I know you break down music very, very beautifully. I mean, even the couple of classes that I've done with you, oh my God, I'm like, how many minutes do I have to do? Like, that's the thing. On that note, any classical favorites?
Oh, yes. So, before I go on to that, I would like to say that I have been into classical since my childhood. Okay.
Yeah,
Classical has been the life of our family because Nani has been so inspired with classical. I've seen them singing,
yeah.
classical. I was born into a family like that. And I would like to sing what my Nani's Guruji had taught her,
How
and it
lovely.
has his name.
How
So,
lovely.
it is Rag Shuddha Saram. I will usually, when you sing a rag, you introduce it with alap and a lot of gesture to kind of introduce and give the whole effect of the rag. But since we are on a very short chat base, I'll directly skip to the bandish. It's a beautiful
Okay.
bandish. All right. मोरारी मन लागे मोहन संग मोरारी मन लागे मोहन संग मोरारी मन लागे एक घड़ी चैन ना मोहे आवे मोरारी मन लागे मोहन संग मोरारी मन लागे मोहन संग लागे जतन बता कोई ऐसो मोरियारी, जतन बता कोई ऐसो मोरियारी, कहि लक्ष्मण मोहि मोहन तरस दिखाओ, मुरारी मन लागे मोहन संग, मुरारी मन, मुरारी मन, मुरारी मन लागे मोहन संग.
Very beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Ajay, so Abhi Shago, tell me that I see this in my experience at running the studio and seeing so many people who come and do classes. I see a very huge transformation in people before class and after class in terms of their confidence level, in terms of in so many different ways. Let's talk about that a little bit. Do you, in your experience with dealing with so many students, and I know you do, everyone from little children to really elderly people come and learn from you, and that's so beautiful. Have you seen people go through a journey because of music at all? Tell us a little bit about that.
So, if you talk about journey, we have people who have been learning with us in the last 15, 20 years, who have just learned with us in the last 2, 3 years. So transformations depend person to person. And as much as that person wants to put his or her heart and soul inside whatever they are doing, all right. But it's so beautiful to see that every human's transformation and their journey in learning and moving forward is so distinctive than each other. I would never be able to say that you have just transformed like that. And it gives us immense pleasure and joy, because when we are seeing such distinctive
Very
transformation, so we get to learn so much from them. So it's, and as we know and we accept that everyone have to be different, and they are different. Some learn slow, some are super fast and then they slow down, some will learn so slowly, and boom, there's a beautiful result. So that whole graph of transformations, I would say, is beautiful. And yes, it takes us on a journey as well, and it takes them also on a journey which we combine and walk forward on.
Right. And also in terms of like confidence levels, I know you offer such a beautiful platform to your students every now and then. कुछ ना कुछ, कभी कोई video बन रहा है, कोई show हो रहा है. My mother's constantly doing something for SMA. So I'm sure that is also helping the confidence level, right, for people, because a lot of housewives, a lot people from all kinds of a lot of older people, retired people take to music. So what is your experience in that?
So this whole it started from my mother, because my mom and dad, they used to believe in bringing out the best in every person. And it started, I will say, 32 years back when SMA had formed. Okay, so mom wanted to put up a show with all the people in the area. So she went house to house, asking for maybe 5 rupees, and she would train that child and put up a show, but no one gave except for 2 people. And she anyhow managed to pull out that show for 2 people, and after that there was no looking back. And the reason we have in these few years, in the throughout the journey, the reason we put up such platforms and we give them various platforms, okay, it's because there is no offense to anyone, but what happens, I'm sure you will believe in this, till that you are learning to sing, so till that time you will not be able to deliver it in front of everyone. That is correct. So that is what we have. Mom has literally made sure that she builds and pushes that confidence in anyone and everyone, even if they don't want to. It's like nahi compulsory to hai, you have to do it. And that is what takes them to the next level. And of course, various platforms, various exposures, so the experiences are also different. They learn to sing differently, like when they're performing a live show, they know their throat have to be there along with their ears open, because if you don't learn to listen to yourself, then you will end up making mistakes. Whereas
Yeah.
if you're singing in a home environment, you need to keep control on your voice because the surrounding is small and your voice is already loud. Then if you're singing in recording studios, oh my god, you have to be like like basically studio mic even records the breath. So they learn to control different levels and different like the whole thing changes the moment different platforms are given. So the reason we give them these platforms are provided to them is just because, so that wherever they are, wherever they want to be in life, they will be ready to face any kind of situation. There
Right.
is a criteria here. We can't offer that to the beginners who've just entered because they won't know anything. So we start with jam sessions for them.
Yeah.
Once they complete 1.5 2 years, we provide them with stage shows. Then once we see their confidence in stage shows are building, then we offer them charity shows. Then aise karte karte recording studios, and then how this is the way they spread their wings into the world of music.
Yeah. Yeah. Very, very nice. अभी इस पे एक कोई अच्छा पॉपुलर हैप्पी बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग हो जाए. Whatever,
Happy Bollywood.
or whatever you feel like.
Happy Bollywood. Whatever. To be honest, I am just like completely blank from the head today. But yes, I can. We always keep telling our students to sing this song, and we just sang it in the morning, and half of them have already done this song with us. It's a Bengali song. It's by Rabindranath Tagore, and
How
it's a
lovely.
very famous song. So I'll just sing a few lines of that. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে। তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে। তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে।
Beautiful, beautiful. I've heard you sing so many times, but every time you sing, I can't get over how beautiful and soft and sweet your voice is, you know. इतना मजा आता है सुन के. I mean, I'm sure our viewers also, obviously, everyone's agreeing and commenting. That's really amazing. There's one thing I feel very closely about music, Shago, is that you know, a lot of people believe that you sing best, and I'm going to say this generically as an artist, that people believe that, you know, it's only when you're going through a lot of pain in your life that you can really be a very good artist, whether it's a painter, singer, your best work comes out then. And to be very honest with you, I think I took to singing at a time when I was rock bottom in life, and I think that, you know, that's really what got me engaging with the music. And they say that singing is a very spiritual form of connecting with God. So what do you think, is that true? Do you believe that it's that when it comes from a space of pain, it's actually a lot deeper and more beautiful?
So again, coming to this point, it's very distinctive person to person. All right. For me, it's been a process of learning, and every time maybe something would click. It could be a sad moment. It could be an anxiety moment. It could
Okay.
be a very happy moment, and it could be like such a moment where I do not want to do anything, but something has caught, and I could get a flavor out of that.
Right.
And I would like to break it down in such a way. जैसे music is a very, it exists in us, to be honest. Your
Yeah.
heart, that's why it's called beat means your
Heartbeat.
tempo, the clicks. So when your heart also beats, it beats on a particular rhythm. So when it exists in us, it is just that how do you want to keep disclosing, or want to keep what do you say, exploring different moments of your life. Recently only in a few classes we were just talking about lyrics, and lyrics add so much of meaning to music, but it cannot be the same for everyone. But when
Yes.
you're learning to sing, when you learn to sing, you need to be able to deliver those lyrics in any situation you are in. There
Right.
have been situations that an artist must have lost his or her family, but he must be standing and performing a
Happy
Kishore
song.
Kumar melody number. So,
Yeah.
you know, it you I won't. There's a very fine line between portraying your feelings and mimicking your feelings. This belongs to the portraying genre, all right. An artist, a singer. So what we do is we ask them to imagine or
Yeah.
relate to a particular emotion
Yeah.
of their life.
Yeah.
Now, many people's emotion strikes on the what do you
On that,
say?
yeah,
Correct.
moments
So
that.
correct, correct. Now, but you know, as you said, you know, the sadness kind of captures, and to break through, no, that emotion is needed. So, you know, more than the sadness, it is a breakthrough emotion that, you know, music captures and it takes you to the next level.
Yeah.
So, when you say about this, I will always say focus on lyrics and the melody added to it, you know.
And
So, you know, so, you know, when those two get combined together, no, you can bring out an emotion, you can make your emotion. It's a bubble which you can create and burst at any time.
yeah.
And, you know, when it comes to the spiritual connection, I will say you can go bonkers on that because spiritually, I will consider spiritual to be nature, to
Yeah.
be, you know, the people who've given birth to me, to
That's subjective.
you know, the students who come to our academy, to the energies around us. And you know, for many people, spiritual is also about God. It's
Yeah.
connecting to the high energies.
Yeah.
Now, for me, classical really works in a very beautiful way because
Right.
classical is something that has actually reacted, something that is so much when I say reacted in the sense is because, you know, you cannot ask for rains to come, but if your sadhana is so much in rag malhar or rag megh or any rag which is, you know, gonna get, which depends on the season of monsoon, if you want to get rains, no, it is in your hands, it will fall. And I have heard stories because they have, my mother and my nanny, they've experienced, you know, raining out of, you know, a sunny day and not to in the monsoon season. So that is what I will call a spiritual connection. If I can connect to my mother, you know, it has happened so many times that, you know, me and mom sing on the same note. सब
Okay.
मतलब if we are doing रियाज together, कभी
Mm.
कभी ऐसे होता है कि उन्होंने कुछ और पकड़ लिया, but many a times it happens that by default हम लोग ने same उठा लिया या
Yeah.
same कुछ तान कर लिया.
Yeah.
So this is the connect that is, you know, that keeps us growing, and then you want to want more for it. Once you
Correct.
get that addiction of getting connected to anything what is spiritual to you, then you won't stop, you know.
Correct. It's also said in acting, right? Method acting. That is what the Lee Strasberg method of acting is. It's the same thing that put yourself in the situation that you're supposed to emote, and it'll come out much. Imagine a situation in your life when you've been in that emotion and then bring that out. So it's very beautiful. I also feel the same applies for us as dancers, right? Because I personally feel that I dance best. I can only dance to music that I connect with. I can't
Correct.
dance to it. It's a very
Right,
personal thing. I know a lot
right,
of people, you play music, you start dancing. Unless I
right,
don't, I can't, and
right,
then
right,
do, then the feeling and the space that it comes from is so deep that,
right.
I sometimes don't understand where it's coming from.
No,
So
it's
on
very.
that note,
Sorry, I'm just going to cut you for a
yeah,
second. You being an artist and you bringing up arts and emotions in the way that, you know, now the whole of our country and globally also it's known so beautifully. So when it's an artist, you know, I would always say you have done a brilliant job in terms of getting people to connect to a form of art through which they can emote. If that can happen, no, people forget spiritually. I think the highest spiritual connection is with yourself, and when you
yes,
learn to
yes,
do that, no, it is something very beautiful.
yes,
You don't need anything else around
yes. I feel it's very gratifying.
you.
For once,
And
my Nana, when I was
so,
when I just started the studio, can you hear
hmm,
me?
hmm,
And to me, and there was a lot of this thing, कि how can you, dance studios, zamane mein, I'm talking about 16
right,
years ago. And he only turned around and said to me one thing. He said, don't forget that you're imparting knowledge. And
right,
that biggest form of seva, and I've always
right,
held on to that. And I've always thought that as teachers, as educational institutes, as academies. For me, I only run an academy. For you, you run the academy, you teach, you do all the back end, and it can be very challenging. You also have your own personal life and all the ups and downs you go in your personal life, but yet you're always there for your students. Um, so that's actually very, very incredible. But on that note, can we get a soulful song from you, please?
Soulful song. Chalo, I'll sing a
Okay,
ghazal.
dance pe dance
Um,
here.
I know you've been doing this. Itna, my mother also tells me to sing. I never sing for her. Okay. तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया.
Beautiful, beautiful. बहुत मजा आया यार. God bless you. We spoke about singing from a space of pain and dance, but the reverse also applies for a lot of people. You know, I in so many experience, my experience as a studio also. You know, this whole thing of music therapy and dance therapy, and you know, I know someone I was very close to who was fighting a disease, and he took to singing in the last couple of years of his life. And I know that for him, that entire journey of battling his disease for 2-3 years was so much more. Uh, I won't say it was easier, but just because of music, it just made it so beautiful for him. And I know that a lot of people take to art in the worst phases of their life when they're going through a lot and when there's a lot of pain in them. And what do you say about this whole thing of, you know, music and dance healing? I mean, I've had my whole gamut of experiences, you know, even because of Dance with Joy, with all the people that we work with, differently abled and challenged people for dance. And I know,
Right.
yeah, I know, but I would really like for you to share your experience. That, you know, how do you feel people have healed because of music, because of singing, and how it's changed their lives and affected their lives? Please share that with us.
So, since the art form is different, but the work of nature is quite same, all right?
Yes.
And, for us, it's been on the same path, I will say. When we see students, it's not about, it can be anyone. It can be a normal human being. It can be a special child. It can be animals also, for the matter of fact, all right? Music is therapy in every way, but
Yes.
it's completely the way you want to find it to be, all right?
Yes.
Now, for example, if you like nowadays, it's been like, since there is so much of learning about music, people make sure that, when they conceive, they are non-stop listening to Mozart's, or maybe some really intense classical, or some maybe fusion stuff. You know why? Because it somehow helps you balance the frequencies within you with the
Yes.
frequencies that go around you. So,
Yes.
when the wavelength balances, there is a balance within you. So, of course, to find that balance takes time. The first time you start singing, or the first time you would start dancing, you will not find balance, all right? But as and when you see there is a progress in you, you will start finding balance to it. And with humans like us, it's, they can be vocal about their whole therapy. Like, it can be coming out of depression. It can be fighting, as you said, a disease. It can be, also uh, for someone who is not vocal about things.
They're
For
feeling
example, yes,
depressing.
I don't want to talk to you, but I can sing for you. So there are different ways that music acts as a therapy. But one thing, that I have seen in special children is that, the results they give you, the results are, it's just as if you have met God.
Yes.
Trust me, it
Yes.
is so beautiful and it is so unimaginable. So that is when, I'm like on a bit a rough side teacher. I'm a little, thoda sa stick wala
Yeah.
teacher I am. And I keep telling them, bhai, look at this magic. Just
Yeah.
imagine you
Yeah.
putting that effort. And trust me, what makes that happen is, the focus.
Yeah. It's
We,
also the focus, and I think it's also like a lack of, I think we take a lot of ourselves for granted, our, ability to move, our ability to talk here, whatever. So it's also for them, it just becomes an opportunity. Oh my God, I'm able to do something, and someone is here teaching me.
and you know what happens, Achal? They follow blindly. They will not
Yes,
ask you questions.
yes, yes.
Never have I asked, except for अगर उनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया in terms of speech या सुर, तो पूछेंगे
Yeah,
मैम can you show us once again. They will not ask question कि आप कितने टाइम में सिखाएंगे, you know. So
yeah,
that beliefs, no, that connect automatically between two people, between us and between that student, connects so magically that results are seen consistently in a graph like this. They
yeah.
sometimes, sometimes you can't force them to do things. So even, and we never keep a class for them specially कि special
Yes,
children का class है. We make them like Renu auntie has, we have Arya. Oh
yeah,
my God, the transformation of Arya that we have Siddhi, who is a brilliantly, I will say, her mom has made her an independent girl. She knows to do her work and everything. And in today's generation, to see that transformation, and to put that faith in your child and making them stand in that position that they are able to deliver, it's so beautiful. But I have never asked them, seen them asking questions. They just follow. Sometimes they don't want to sing, but at that time also, if this is working, this is working.
yeah, yeah,
Without any question, these are working. It's just that they don't want to maybe deliver at that given point of time.
yeah,
So
yeah,
that. And one more incident I would like to share here is, now this was about humans. Now it when it comes to animals, I
yeah.
have
I
six
know you're an
dogs.
animal. Yeah, I know you're a lover. You
Yeah.
have a lot of dogs. You've been feeding a lot of animals, street animals, on face. That's amazing work, actually. To really get out and be doing that during the lockdown. So kudos to you on that also, yeah, babe. That's pretty awesome. Good
Thank
work.
you. But that I wanted to share with you was, with them, you can't even speak, but you can connect to them without anything. Matlab, you're angry, you're frustrated, they only have a smile for you on your face. Now
So
with
beautiful.
my all the six whom I have, out of them I lost two, but the other four, you will find music in their eyes, you will find music within them.
Right.
Everyone who comes to our house, they will keep praising, especially Happy Snoopy, because since childhood, they have been into music completely. So the whole aura of music has got so much of calmness and depth in them, that they are completely soft and mellow. So it's, I have what do you say, I had this rescue tiger. He used to bite, bark. He's bitten everyone in the house. Right? That guy has mellowed down. That is a
Because of the
complete different,
housing.
completely different. And all the students existing in the class have seen that transformation, and they can
Right.
vouch for it. So it
Right.
it helps you without knowing as well. So that is the
No.
kind of therapy that music does within you.
Yeah. So now on this note, one more song. Come on.
My God. What therapy song should I sing? Wait, hang on, yeah, you're bowling me off today. I teach music, but I sometimes just get bowled off.
Okay. You have many feathers in your hats. Just pull one of them out and toss
Trust me,
them.
people feel that I'm like, oh, I can sing anything, and I can teach anything in
I know.
between my sleep also. But when you ask me to sing songs, no, I've been loaded with so many songs, no.
It's when I go to a nightclub and people tell me, "Oh, you should just start dancing. It's your profession." I'm
I
like, no, I'm not like music chala or nachne lago. It doesn't work like this.
I
And it's an
know,
occupational hazard. You don't necessarily want to sing all the time because
I
you're
know.
anyway. अभी ये chat पे तो बनता है.
Okay, cool. I'll sing Iktara. It's a very beautiful song. Mm, what scale is this? Nah, Vimiji. Sorry. Sa. ओरे मनवा तू तो बाबरा है, सोचता है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है बाबरी, क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद नैनों को बूंद बूंद, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को मूंद मूंद, कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा.
बहुत beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. I have not realized that we've been 45 minutes up since we've been chatting. It's been so nice and time has really
Oh my
I'm
God.
I'm going to actually leave the forum open for a few questions for anyone who wants to ask anything. These questions don't involve badgering her for singing, uh, because I know everyone's farmaish will start coming up. We'll get her to sing maybe one or two songs more if she will oblige. But I also want to leave it while everyone puts their questions. I want to leave everyone with a little thought that, you know, we've all been through such a difficult time in this past few months. Some of us less so than the others. There are a lot of people going through their own journeys. It's a very emotional time for everyone, and at times like this, I feel, someone who's been a dancer and also an aspiring singer, is that it's always important to have something that's yours, that belongs to you, a talent, an art, whether it's painting, singing, dancing. I always say this over my years at Arts in Motion also. Please always take one thing in a part of your life that you like to do. And I always say that even if you're not good at doing it, it doesn't matter, because this is something you're doing for yourself. It's something you're doing to make your soul happy. And I know that music, workouts, dancing have kept people going in this entire really difficult phase. And I would encourage more and more people to please take them up. And yes, of course, SMA is a fantastic place to learn music, because it's like a lovely little family. And the energies at home, and I know because I've been there, are so beautiful. And lots of power to you, darling. Thank you so much for being there on my show. Shagota ma'am, thank you so much for this SMA that you have created, this family, this lovely community of singers that you have built. I know it's brought a big transformation in my mother's life as well, in my life by virtue of that. And if there are any questions, we are going to still take those up. If not, please, one, two more songs. And I also want to tell all our viewers that our next Tuesday's chat is very interesting. It's about financial independence and financial planning and starting small. And we have a wealth management expert who's joining us. I'm going to be sharing that on the page. So please give us your feedback. Please follow the page for very fun chats. And if there's anything you want to talk about, know about, I'm happy to bring people to come and talk about it. And so one last, anything,
I have lost my songs now.
anyone.
Okay, chalo. So because we have to leave, I'll be singing "Aaj Jaane Ki Zid Na Karo," something like completely contradictory to this. हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे ना करो।
Lovely. Beautiful, beautiful. मैं तो बैठी रहूं, मैं तो मांगती रहूंगी एक और एक और एक और. Thank you so much. I love you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
Thank you, Shagota ma'am. Students of SMA, thank you for joining us. Please show
Thank
us
you.
your love. Please follow our page. Thank you, mom. I know she's responsible for the chat. See you soon. Thank you.
So
Bye-bye.
bye. Bye.
Bye.